So I want to show you how I deal with a twist corner, a monotwist. Here I have the white yellow faces all done except for this corner, which is twist. So my strategy is to keep only two white yellow stickers together and hide the other one, and I will do a gyro to put the two other one together. So in order to hide this one, I will use sune antisune algorithm. The goal is to turn this corner like this and this corner like this. So when I do sune, I turn like this, and then antisune. You see that this corner has been turned clockwise and the other one anti-clockwise. Now I do the same here with the RKT technique. Sorry, we must be in this like this. So when this white sticker go here and this one go here and stay hidden. So the sune, a Y move, a Y rotation, the antisune. And now these two are hidden. So we can do the gyro. And we can easily put these two stickers together. Yes. And now we do another gyro. So I put the two white sticker on the side, so they will stay on the center, and I put them together vertically, so they will stay on the same cube. And now we have a configuration which is well known, and we have a 2x2x2 algorithm for this. So I'll do it. So this is like this. And now the white yellow faces are done.